Morning sunlight spilled through the windows of HUNTR divided by X's studio. After their midnight adventure saving Seoul, the girls were back to practice, or at least trying to. Rumi's mic wasn't working again. "Ugh, my voice sounds like a squeaky toy," she groaned, tapping the mic. Zoey giggled. "That's not the mic, Rumi, that's you." Mira rolled her eyes. "Come on, you two, we've got a concert tonight, let's focus." As they prepared, their manager burst through the door waving a glowing letter. "It's from the Crystal Museum downtown. They want you girls to perform at the grand opening of their new exhibit, The Rhythm Crystals of Seoul." Rumi blinked. "Rhythm crystals? What's that?" "They say the crystals hum with the sound of the city," the manager said. "They haven't sung in 100 years, until now." That night, the girls arrived at the museum in glittering silver outfits. Crowds cheered as neon lights danced along the walls. At the center stood a giant crystal shaped like a heart, glowing softly with pink and blue light. Smaller crystals surrounded it, each one pulsing faintly like a heartbeat. Mira approached carefully. "It's singing," she whispered. Zoey held up her sound scanner. "No signal, this isn't tech, it's magic." Suddenly, a deep boom echoed through the hall. The heart crystal cracked down the middle, releasing a burst of glowing sound waves that knocked everyone off their feet. Out of the broken crystal stepped a shimmering woman made of light. "I am Melodia, guardian of Soul's rhythm," she said. "Long ago these crystals kept balance between music and silence, but now their power is fading." Rumi stood up, brushing glitter from her hair. "How can we help?" "The crystals must be awakened by pure music, the kind born from courage and friendship," Melodia said. "But beware, silence spreads quickly." Before the girls could answer, the lights dimmed and dark smoke slithered across the floor. From it rose a shadowy figure with glowing red eyes, Maestro Echo, the villain who thrived on stolen sound. "Silence is peace," he hissed. "The world is too noisy. I'll end the music once and for all." He waved his hand, and the small rhythm crystals shattered into hundreds of pieces, scattering across the city. "No!" Mira shouted. Zoey clenched her fists. "We have to get them back." Rumi raised her mic, its light flickering bravely. "Then it's time for a citywide encore." They split up across Seoul. Mira used her voice to calm the winds around the Han River and found the first crystal glowing beneath a bridge. Zoey danced across rooftops chasing the second, hidden inside a neon sign shaped like a star. Rumi raced through Gwangjang Market, following a soft hum between the food stalls until she found a crystal nestled in a musician's guitar case. Each time they found one, they sang together through their comms, blending their voices into a living melody that made the crystals sparkle brighter. But Maestro Echo was never far behind. He appeared in flashes of static, trying to drown their sound with waves of dull silence. When Rumi reached the final crystal at the old Namsan Observatory, Echo cornered her. "You can't sing forever," he growled. "Even the brightest song fades." Rumi's heart raced, but she gripped her mic. "Maybe, but if music comes from the heart, it never truly stops." She closed her eyes and sang, softly at first, then stronger. "Shine through the noise, the rhythm inside, let our hearts be our guide." The crystal blazed with golden light. Mira and Zoey's voices joined in through her earpiece, creating a harmony that filled the night sky. All around the city, broken crystals floated into the air, reforming above Seoul like glowing constellations. The music spread like sunrise, washing away Echo's darkness. His red eyes dimmed. "Impossible," he whispered before fading into dust. Melodia reappeared, smiling warmly. "You have restored the rhythm crystals and reminded Seoul that music and friendship are one." The crystals drifted back into the heart of the museum, pulsing in perfect rhythm again. Back in their studio, the girls sat together, exhausted but happy. Zoey played back a recording of their magical harmony. "We should make this our next single," Mira smiled. "We already did. It's called Rhythm of Us." Rumi looked out the window at the glowing city. "No matter how dark it gets, we'll always bring the beat back." As dawn painted the sky pink, the rhythm crystals shimmered one last time, their melody echoing softly through every street, every home, every dream and soul. And somewhere far away, a faint rhythm answered back, a hint that another adventure was waiting just beyond the next note.